air fried cauliflower taken to a whole new level. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you some really cool stuff. Hey, let's do some sesame cauliflower. Why not? I mean, we love sesame chicken. Why not substitute the chicken with cauliflower? So that's what we're going to do. I already have some cauliflower breaded up here. So what you need to do is go back to that video so you'll see exactly how I go ahead and bread up this cauliflower. And I will also post a video link at the end of this video, as well as a link in the description, so you can see exactly how to make this. Now, what I'm going to do is get the sauce going. Once that's heating up, we'll go ahead and put the cauliflower in the air fryer. We'll see if we can get this timed out just right so everything finishes on time and we can get munching down on this. So, what goes into my sauce? My sesame sauce. We have a ½ cup of soy sauce. I have 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I've got 4 cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of ginger, and I'm using some squeezed ginger in this case. I'm going to mix all this up. Wow, that smells so good. I'm going to sprinkle just a few sesame seeds. I have some toasted sesame seeds here. Probably about a teaspoon that I'm going to sprinkle in there. Okay, so let's get this over the stove. We'll get this heated up. We'll get the sauce done, and we'll go ahead and get the air fryer heating up as well. Okay, so we've got the sauce heating up here, and just before a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add a cornstarch slurry to it to thicken up, and that's the sauce. It's that easy. That's looking really good. That's smelling good. We need smell-o-vision. Been thinking about this dish for, well, since the last video I made on the cauliflower, and I gotta make this. Alrighty, that's looking good. Thickening up nicely. And if it was too thick, look, it's like it's looking right about now. All I gotta do is add a little bit of water to that. So let me do that. Alright. Just add a little water. That's just about the consistency that we're looking for. Let me go grab a spoon. We'll see if that coats the back of the spoon, and we'll be good to go. And there we go. Got a nice coating there. Not too thin, not too thick. Let me give this a taste while we're here. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. Alright, sauce is done. On to the cauliflower. Okay, so I got a little ahead of myself on the sauce. That's actually made and ready. We're just ready to go ahead and add the cauliflower to the air fryer. So we're going to keep the sauce on the warmer for now. We're ready to go ahead and load the cauliflower. I have this set for 400 degrees, and we're going to let it cook for 15 minutes. We'll probably have to flip it about halfway through. So let me go ahead and oil my pan in here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the cauliflower. We should have plenty of room. I'm using my Ninja Foodie air fryer, so the bonus to that is that I have a lot more room in this one. Nice to have choices. Okay, we'll get them all in there. Now I'm going to give them a spritz of oil here. And there we go. We'll be back in probably about, I don't know, 7.5 minutes. Okay, so now it's asking me to flip. We're about 7.5 minutes in, or just over 7.5. Now, I could go in with the tongs, but I'm not really good with these, so I've got some good cooking. I don't recommend you do this at home, but I'm just gonna go give these a quick flip. And they're looking really good. Some nice crispiness to them already. So we'll just get them turned over here. I guess I had my arm in the way, so that wasn't very good. So I guess you didn't get a very good view of me flipping. Now my arm's in the way again. My camera gal is probably grimacing right now. Alrighty. Give them another spritz of oil. And we'll bring this on home. Okay, so we got about 8 seconds left here for this to be done. And once it says it's done, I'm going to go ahead and pull. There we go. Open this up, and this looks absolutely fantastic. So what I'm going to do is grab my cauliflower, which I don't know if you can hear that, but that sounds so crispy. And they're looking so good. And they're looking hot too. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. So I'm going to get these in my bowl. Then I'm going to go in with our sauce on top of it. Give it a light toss. I've also took the liberty of making some rice. So I'm going to serve this over rice. And then we'll go ahead and give this a try. There we go. Get this thing shut. All right, go in with my sauce. The sauce is smelling killer. It's got the makings of being some really good num-nums. I'm just going to give these a little toss. Hopefully I'm not going to break this up. Pretty good flipping motion here, huh? All right. Got some on my finger. That's pretty darn good. Get this to the side. Now, let's plate this up. And while I'm plating this up, let me go ahead and do my episode shout out. And this episode shout out is all the United States Marines out there. Yes, I said Marines, the other part of the Navy. So hey, this episode is dedicated to you. So, a little bed of rice here. Take some of my sesame cauliflower. Make it look pretty. There we go. That's looking good. Alrighty, so going with a little bit of more sesame seeds to make this look like sesame cauliflower. I almost said sesame chicken. And there you go. Sesame cauliflower on a bed of rice. Only one last thing to do with this, and that's to give it a try. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to go with this piece right here. And that's super crispy. That's the bomb. Holy moly. That's all what I thought it was going to be. Maybe even a bit more. That sesame sauce, spot on. Crispiness of the coating for the cauliflower, spot on. Not overdone, not underdone. That you gotta make. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share. Right over here, punch my logo. It makes it a lot easier to subscribe. So until next time, thanks and we'll see you.